Hello and welcome guys, and today we will discuss about the what is the input function in the Python. And in this lecture we will cover the how to write the program and what is the syntax of the program, and also discuss about the example of the Python. So without any further delay, so now let's get started. So basically when we talk about the definition of the function, and basically the input function allows a user to insert into a program. Suppose you have a program, and when the user wants to insert at the runtime any value in the program, and then it is very helpful for it. And input returns a string value. Now you can see, and input returns the string value. That means everything in the string is string. Okay. And input function in built-in function in the Python. Okay. And what is the syntax of the input function? Now first thing is, first we will write the variable name, and is equals to, now write the function name, and this is the input function, and any here the pass the any message for the user, and if you want to show in the output screen. Okay. And this is a very simple syntax of the input function. And when we talk about the example of the input function, and then num is the variable name, and it stores the integer value. Okay. Then input enter the value is the, it returns the string of the number. And but here the input int is int function, and this is used for the type conversion or typecasting. Okay. And if you not understand with the typecasting and type conversion, then you go on my playlist, and firstly you would you would see the typecasting or type conversion video, and after that you will continue the video. Okay. And now you can see, and this is my a is equals to the input, enter the first number. Here the first number is stored in the a, and in the second line, and input, and it is the store the second number in the b. And but here the change the type of the data type. Here the now type of the a is string, but in that case, and b is the integer type. Okay. When we print it, and then so first print is gives the string class, and but second parameter, second printf gives the integer class. Okay. And when I copied the code, and go on the VS Code, now you can see, and this is my input.py, and type of the v. And when I saved it, and now firstly we will zoom it, and after that now you can see, and it takes the first value. And what is the enter your first number? So my first number is 23, and enter your second number, and second number is the 34. Now first printf gives the string class, and but second number gives the int type. That means here the change the data type of the variable. And that means suppose you want to you want to add the two number, and then take data type is necessary to integer type. So that means if you want to two value in the in our program, and then suppose I want to add the a plus b, and what will happen? And now when I print it, and now enter your first number. Now first number is 23, and second number is 22, and now it got the error. And why? Because first is number is string, and second number is integer. Also can only concatenate string and not a int. So because it is not concatenate the integer value. So first thing is, and when you want to add the two values, and then integer type is needed. Okay. And this is it. And when I changed it and saved it, and after that run on the click on the run button, and now there we go. And this is 23, 22. Now it gives the 45. I think it's fine. And when you want to change the data type, now string to change the float type, and then it is very simple, and you can write the float value, and it is very simple, and it gives the, and when you want to divide the values, and it prints the, it it divides the a and b. Okay. And when I click on the run button, now first thing is 10, and second is the 2, and now it gives the 5. And I think this is the enough for the day, and we will meet in the next video. So thanks for watching.